I will prove that they are all wrong, which is ultimately rival or enemy enemy component of the community, which are trying to destroy the Birla Emporiums and the Era Finance. So so far, three types of extortion has been taking place from 2018 till now. The first one is done by the Qualcomm extortion of cold-blooded amounting to 50,000 crore plus using the unknown star pretender Mr. Jinghe Ganda from Thopal. And second extortion is taking place by the at Langol using paid unknown investor Union Coal, Ambeco and the 99 Group along with the MPA teams at Langol with amounting to 3.6 crores. And after that, KCP Taibong Amber Group has already exported the properties of around 10 crores from the company without any reason. So these untold stories are sharing in the communities or worldwide for the justice of the company, which is still fighting like anything, even suffers of more than 8-9 years in the reason in order to return back all the investors' money, which has been already circulated in the international medias. As per the policies of 5% every month, capital, etc., which has been continuing so far, and it has been continuing till now from more than 8 years. Okay, and now is the ending part of the repayment. Therefore, I am just broadcasting the realities to the peoples of Manipur and outside and the internationally. Okay, because no misunderstanding and no fact reports create unnecessary occurrence, and such kind of report may ruin the repayment systems of the investors. Okay. So as far as the law is concerned, in my opinion, law means every good things are law. So when my company, which is advertised in front of the world, in front of the India, in front of the Manipur, that the company will be giving 5% of the return on investment and 0.75 to the loanee interest, which the company is doing till now, and at the same time it will be doing till the last. Okay. So when the company commitment, which is mediatized in so many media, state-wise, nationwide and international-wide, is performing what the company has advertised, then what is the reason of saying unlawful, or what is the reason of saying fraud, or what is the reason of saying Ponzi to my company? Okay, this is an intentional conspiracy of lie, cheat, fraud, which is resulting in the killings of the company and wastings of everything of the hard-earned money of the company owner in front of the communities. Okay, without any reason. Okay. So coming to the next point, dear ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, and all genders of the community, stop making pollution of my life as the owner, directors, and the families and the company. Stop making pollution by putting my name, my company in those company who are not deserved to be compared or matched or put together or grouped together. Okay. So we don't have any connection with any other unknown companies which you are putting, as they are all nowhere as the reality and experience in the society is concerned. So all the extortionists above which I mentioned is not related or connected to the company or my family or my life. Okay, which is a strictly third terrorist attack, which is after the Mumbai terror task attack and the World Trade Center. So coming to the next point is the good news. So far 2018, the government and the peoples of Manipur, India and the international community saw that why this company is not having the balance sheet, the annual audit report and the RTI of the company. Okay.